Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, a little bit of a different tool here. One of my more popular videos is me taking the steering wheel off of my truck, and I use this tool, so you can go kind of watch that video if you want to see how this tool really works. But quite honestly, I'm going through my tools and cleaning up and thought I would do some tool reviews of both tools I like and tools I don't. So keep an eye out for those videos. But this one, I honestly don't even really technically know the technical name for this, but it is to remove the lock plate underneath your steering wheel on vehicles. This screws onto the steering wheel where the steering wheel goes on the shaft, and this screws forward, pushes the plate down, and you can get the keeper out real easy. Super easy, simple tool. Don't know how much they cost. Got it free at a garage sale. I was super happy and excited when I found this tool. And it's one of those things, people just don't know what they have, and they just want to get rid of their crap that's in the garage, basically. And so I get I get a lot of those, fortunately. So regardless, that's what this tool does. I would highly recommend picking it up, even if you only have one steering wheel to do, although you can probably maybe rent this tool at O'Reilly's. These type of things, the way steering wheels come off these days is different than they used to be back in the day, but I work on enough older cars, it definitely makes it worth it for me. But then I also have a video on this tool here. It goes kind of hand in hand and with this puller right here, which is basically steering wheel puller. Doesn't come in that case, but you can watch that video if you want to see that one. But regardless, with this and that, you can make a steering wheel super easy to take off. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.